Hey, Max again. In this video, I'm going to show you another growth hack or side product that helps you to tap into the distribution that other people but also brands already have. And we are using a strategy where we create freebies or certain tools to really tap into that audience. And let's start right away. So the idea here is that we use big websites like Notion or Figma or Airtable and tap into their audience. And they all have some kind of like community feature or template database. And as you can see here, we have one product that we specifically created for the Figma community. And we also have a product that we have for the Notion community. And I want to show you why I think this is a great idea. Because in the end, these websites, Notion, Figma, Airtable, you name it, have a ton of visitors. So you can see over or around 100 million visitors per page. And that means if you can tap into their audience, you A, earn a lot of trust. B, you also get a lot of like reach from their website, and also people click back to your website or your product that you created. And in the end, you also generate a ton of new sales. Also, it's a good idea because you gain a lot of backlinks or like trustworthy backlinks that can help you with your other SEO articles. But let me show you how that looks like. So I just opened up my Figma community here. It's a place where people, graphic designers, people from the community can publish elements for free that other people can use. And when we were building BaseTemplates, we were thinking, hey, it might be interesting to create a pitch deck template that works in Figma, because back then there weren't really options for that and everyone was using PowerPoint, but we were seeing, hey, Figma is on the rise, so maybe we can tap into that. And this is what we did. We created a pitch deck template that looks like every other pitch deck template that you will get on BaseTemplates, but just in a Figma version. And to distribute it, we had the idea to create a free version out of it. So as you can see, we published it in the Figma community and it was downloaded 11,000 times and we got 360 likes. And the interesting part here is if someone downloads this pitch deck template, he gets a free version with 12 slides. And the user can use the 12 slides right away, obviously. But we also mention that there is a full version of the pitch deck on our website and that you can buy it for $39 in this case. And this helps us to have users that try out our products, but also helps us to sell more, because obviously a lot of people who are browsing through the slides will think, oh, okay, I need another version of the solution slide. I'm just going to the website and buy the full product for $39. And this is a really, really powerful tool that helps us distribute a new product. And obviously you can also think of this as not a freebie of a product that you are selling, but also more of a side product that drives traffic to your website. So for example, if you doing anything in the design sector, you can, for example, offer a free icon set or something that people can download here. You link back to your website and more people will find your website and use your products. The second example that I wanted to show you is on Notion. So Notion also has a template gallery where a ton of people are browsing for new inspiration, new templates that they can use. And they have a startup section here, and we were tapping into that section as well because we thought, hey, it's great to have a backlink here and you can just submit the template that you have. Obviously, it needs to be good that they put it on the website, but in our case, this was no problem because we have sold it a few thousand times before. And as you can see here, a startup fundraising toolbox, you can click on it. We can use Notion's distribution through their template section. And in this case, we are also selling it right away. So very nice partner channel. They don't take any cut because they want to grow the whole ecosystem. And another example of a freebie that works quite well for us. Okay, so to conclude, the results for us have been pretty stunning, to be honest. With the Figma pitch deck template, the free version, we got around 11,000 downloads in the Figma community, 360 likes, and we are also driving a ton of traffic directly to the website. Most of the traffic will be direct inside the Google Analytics because the people will copy the link. but obviously there will also be a lot of traffic that comes through Google, people searching for the Figma pitch deck template here. Same for the Notion template that we were offering. It also drives a ton of traffic, and these are just the results that you can see right away. Obviously, you will also gain more authority in regards to your domain, and yeah, it will be really, really worth it. So you can think of something like this for your own company. Doesn't need to be paid, doesn't need to be on any specific platform, but most of the big ones, Airtable, Figma, Notion, they have something, and you can use them also by creating a free product that drives people over to your website and also helps educate your audience. So if you want to learn more growth hacks, just subscribe below, and talk to you in the next video.